This is Florida. Warm, sunny, loaded with money. A building boom is sweeping the state. And in the growing demand for land, crowded conditions prevail, forcing Florida's wildlife to fight for elbow room. Hardest hit of all is the alligator. His back's to the wall. He must tighten his belt or face starvation.
I'd eat some dinner if I had some dinner to eat dinner with. Fricassee of young woodpecker. Serve on a well-garnished, sizzling platter. Take 1 plump woodpecker. 1 plump woodpecker? I see the woodpecker around here someplace. Yeah. Huh? 1 plump woodpecker. Yeah. Headquarters, Camp Okie Dokie, Everglades, Florida. Dear Woody Woodpecker, Hollywood, California. You is invited down here to entertain the troops. We is hungering for you, sir. Your type of entertainment makes my mouth water. P.S. We'll have a sizzling good time. We'll have a sizzling good time. The stage is set.
Well. So this is Camp Okie Dokie. Ugh, what a dump.
Welcome to Camp Okie Dokie, sir.
How about it, Daddy-O? Where's all the troops?
Son, I'm the only one left.
Aw, that's too bad, old-timer.
Well, come on in and entertain an old soldier. I got the nicest little old stage waiting for you.
Fine. I'll go backstage and get ready. Boy, you just can't beat this southern hospitality.
I'm going to eat him. I'm going to eat him.
How long do you want the show to run, Colonel?
About 45 minutes at 350 degrees.
That's odd. Okay, let her roll.
Ready, sir? Act 1.
Wow, my act's hotter than usual.
Yeah, and it's going to get hotter, sir. That's the end of Act 1. Ready? Act 2.
Mighty short acts in this show.
It says here, salt well.
Hey, it's snowing. I'll do my ice skating routine.
And also, plenty of pepper.
Achoo! Phew, I'm sizzling. Oh, boy, this is a scorcher.
To see if done, test with fork.
Yahoo!
That there's the end of Act 2. I'm going to eat him. I'm going to eat him.
Something's mighty fishy about this show. Hey! Fricassee of Woodpecker. Well, by that low-down swamp swindler, I'll fix him.
Well, what do you know? Green wood. Smells scrumptious. Almost smells like alligator. Yeah! That was a dirty Yankee trick. My tail's caught.
Give it a yank, Frank.